Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Tuesday, July 21st, 2026, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes rose today. The S&P 500 index closed at 7,507.32, gaining 64.4 points, marking a very strong positive trend. The Dow 30 index added 385.38 points to end at 52,224.64, showing a mixed positive trend. On the market breadth front, the S&P 500 index saw more decliners than advancers today, while the Nasdaq Composite Index recorded 1,732 advances against 1,067 declines. The Russell 2000 Index was strong with 1,168 advances compared to 594 declines. In terms of returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index had a weekly total return of 1.24%, though its monthly return remains negative. The Russell 2000 Index boasted a year-to-date total return of over 20.37%, leading among the major indexes. Among the sectors, the technology sector soared with a 2.3% gain, continuing a strong positive trend. The energy sector also rose significantly, up by 1.1% and marking its fourth consecutive day of advances. Healthcare showed strength but remained relatively flat over the past few days. Consumer defensive led the declines, dropping by 0.99% and marking its third consecutive day down. Communication services decreased by 0.87%, showcasing a strong negative trend. Real estate, however, managed a slight gain and held a strong positive trend despite recent flat performance. Globally, the South Korea ETF soared with a 6.1% gain, despite a mixed negative trend. Taiwan's ETF followed, rising by 4.8% and showing a positive trend. Japan posted a 2.5% increase, maintaining a mixed positive trend as well. South Korea led with a weekly total return over 6.37% amidst its notable rebound. Taiwan's weekly gain was slightly over 3.34%, yet its monthly return remained subdued. Austria kept a strong positive trend with a year-to-date return of almost 19.82%. The tech darlings saw mixed performances today. Apple closed higher at $327.74, up by 1.15, experiencing a very strong positive trend with an upward breakout after 3 days stagnant. Alphabet slid by 5.18 to close at $346.19, showing a mixed negative trend. Amazon also dipped, closing at $247.55, down by 2.44, with a downward breakout after 3 flat days. Meta Platforms closed down for the fourth consecutive day at $643.81, despite a strong positive trend. Nvidia gained 3.86, ending at $207.14, and closed up for the second day, continuing a mixed positive trend with relatively flat trading moments.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently showing a strong upward swing, rising by 1,186.87 to 66,399.92. Despite a current upward direction, there's a mixed negative trend. Ethereum gaining 20.8 to 1,923.60 is on a 4-day winning streak with some upward movement, though its trend is also mixed negative. BNB inches up 1.64, with current lingering sideways action. Meanwhile, Solana and Dogecoin both show upward momentum despite ongoing negative trends. Delving deeper into their performances, Bitcoin shows an impressive week-to-date return of 2.66%, despite a challenging year-to-date slide of 24.11%. Ethereum echoes this volatile trend with a weekly uplift of 2.82%. Both exhibit mixed negative annual trajectories. Meanwhile, BNB and Solana continue with modest returns, highlighting the ongoing mixed trends in the crypto space.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is gaining against the euro, currently at 0.8769, up 0.0009. The US dollar strengthened against the British pound to 0.7474, up 0.0025. Against the Japanese yen, the US dollar rose to 163.2280, gaining 0.7470, heading for an all-time high. A positive trend is observed across these movements. Conversely, the US dollar is currently down against the Australian dollar at 1.4284. However, this reflects some downward volatility.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.